How long do bridal gown lead times really take? A guide for boutique buyers. Hi everyone, this is Sweta. For bridal boutique owners, few things impact client satisfaction as much as lead times. Yes, it's one of the most misunderstood parts of wholesale buying. Delayed deliveries, rushed fittings, and stressed brides often aren't caused by design issues, but by gaps in planning around production timelines. If you're serving brides in the US, UK, Europe, or Australia, understanding how long bridal gowns truly take from order to arrival is essential for protecting your reputation and running a smooth business. Welcome to Finesse Couture Insights. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell button to stay updated on the business of bridal fashion. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear, realistic understanding of bridal gown lead times and how to plan around them confidently. What are bridal gown lead times? Bridal gown lead time refers to the total time between placing a wholesale order and receiving the gown at your boutique. It includes every stage from production to final delivery, not just tailoring. The production journey. A bridal gown goes through fabric sourcing, cutting, embroidery, stitching, quality checks, packaging, and international shipping before reaching the boutique. Even minor delays in one stage can affect the overall timeline. So what are the factors that affect timelines? Lead times vary based on whether the gown is made to order or ready to stock, the complexity of the design, and the season in which the order was placed. Shipping delays and custom clearances can also extend delivery. Pro tip: understanding the complete process helps boutique owners set realistic expectations and avoid last-minute pressure. Made-to-order bridal gowns. Why boutiques choose made-to-order? Made-to-order gowns always allow boutiques to offer customized sizing, couture detailing, and exclusive bridal experiences. This model is ideal for premium boutiques focused on personalized service. Typical production timelines. During off-peak periods, made-to-order bridal gowns usually take around 4 to 6 months. During peak wedding seasons, timelines may extend to 5 to 7 months or longer. Hidden delays to consider: custom embroidery, fabric changes, hand embellishment, and international shipping can increase production time. Alteration schedules should also be factored into delivery planning. Pro tip: always include buffer time when promising delivery dates to brides. Ready stock bridal gowns. These mean faster delivery options. Ready stock gowns are pre-produced styles available for quicker dispatch. They are ideal for brides with shorter engagement timelines or urgent requirements. Average delivery time: most ready stock gowns are delivered within 2 to 6 weeks depending on size availability and shipping location. This makes them useful for fast-moving boutique inventory. The trade-off: while ready stock offers speed, customization options are limited and inventory risks are higher. Boutique owners must balance convenience with flexibility. Pro tip: use ready stock strategically alongside made-to-order collections for a balanced inventory model. Peak wedding season delays, seasonal demand matters. The bridal industry experiences major production demand during seasonal collection launches and peak wedding periods. Bridal Fashion Week launches around April and October and often increase manufacturing pressure. Longer production queues. During busy seasons, factories handle higher order volumes. Fabrics become harder to source and shipping timelines may slow down. Rush production fees are also more common during this time. Plan earlier than expected. Boutiques preparing for spring and summer weddings should ideally place orders 8 to 10 months in advance. Early planning reduces stress and improves operational efficiency. Pro tip: forward planning helps boutiques avoid delays, rush costs, and disappointed brides. Smart planning for boutique buyers. Lead times as a strategy. Successful bridal boutiques treat lead time planning as part of their business strategy. Strong planning improves inventory management, customer satisfaction, and operational flow. Build a balanced inventory core. Best-selling styles should be ordered early, while trend-led designs can be introduced closer to the season. This helps boutiques balance freshness with inventory control. Clear communication builds trust. Brides appreciate transparency when discussing timelines and delivery expectations. Reliable supplier partnerships also help reduce unexpected production issues. Pro tip: create an inventory calendar that aligns production schedules, shipping timelines, fittings, and bridal appointments. The final insight: so timing shapes reputation. Bridal lead times are not just operational details, they directly affect customer trust and boutique reputation. Timely delivery creates a smoother bridal experience and stronger client loyalty. Consistency creates confidence. Boutiques that consistently manage timelines well are viewed as more professional and dependable. Strong planning also protects profit margins and reduces rush order stress. Pro tip: mastering bridal lead times is a strategic advantage that strengthens both client satisfaction and long-term business growth.